Hey everybody, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake cheesecake with cream cheese and caramel filling. To help me out, I'll be using the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer with its 2 beaters, but you can use whichever mixer you have on hand. Here's a look at all the ingredients we'll need. Whipped cream, granulated sugar, caramel sauce, graham cracker crumbs, vanilla extract, cream cheese, butter, and brown sugar. First, we're going to prepare the crust. Pour 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs into a bowl, followed by 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 5 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Mix all of those ingredients by hand until they're well combined. The result should resemble thickened breadcrumbs. Next, we'll need to transfer the crumbs into a pan. I'm using a cheap 9-inch aluminum pan, but if you have something sturdier, deeper, and fancier, go for it. Spread out the crumbs as evenly as you can and pack it tight. Place it in the refrigerator to give it time to set while we work on the filling. Grab a decent sized bowl and toss in 16 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 additional tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of caramel sauce, not caramel syrup, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now grab your mixer and let her rip. As usual, start the speed on the slowest setting, then ramp up the speed as the ingredients become more combined. Once everything is combined, place 4 ounces of whipped cream into the bowl and fold it into the filling with a rubber spatula. Now take your crust out of the refrigerator and add the filling. Spread it out as smoothly and evenly as you can. If you're using the same kind of pan that I'm using, you should be able to get 2 cheesecakes out of this amount of filling. It's simply too much for a single pan of this type. Now comes the hardest part, the waiting. So go ahead and cover the cheesecake with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for 4 to 8 hours. Do not resist the urge to lick the beaters and/or the spatula. Alright, 8 hours have passed, and here's the finished product. You can add some toppings at this point if you wish, but let's go ahead and give it a try. It's really good and rich, and the crust has a nice crunchy texture as well. I also like the fact that cuts come out pretty smoothly. I would even go so far as to say that this particular cheesecake rivals some that you can buy inside the grocery store in the frozen food section. If you don't believe me, go ahead and try out this recipe and see for yourself. So thank you all so much for watching. Till next time, I'm Jeremy, and I'll talk to you later.